In the ever-evolving world of kitchen essentials, this enameled cast iron saucepan with lid stands out as a must-have for every cooking enthusiast. Designed for versatility, durability, and health-conscious cooking, this 1-quart Dutch oven-style saucepan is more than just a pot. It's your partner in culinary creativity. Whether you're preparing a comforting soup, boiling water, or making rich sauces, the saucepan promises exceptional performance. But what makes it special? This detailed review unveils all you need to know about this enameled cast iron saucepan, from its premium construction to its functionality, maintenance tips, and why it deserves a spot in your kitchen. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Key features and benefits. Number 1. Premium enameled cast iron construction. The saucepan is crafted with a premium cast iron core and coated with food-grade enamel. This ensures safety first. No harmful substances leach into your food, even during high-temperature cooking. Rust resistance. Thanks to the enamel coating, the pan stays pristine over time. Durability. Suitable for marinating, cooking, and refrigerating. This is a long-lasting kitchen companion. Number 2. Superior heat conduction and retention. Cast iron is renowned for its thermal properties. With the saucepan, heat is evenly distributed across the pot, ensuring consistent cooking results. The lid, equipped with self-basting dots, locks in moisture and flavor. This feature makes the saucepan ideal for retaining the original taste of ingredients. The pan retains heat for longer periods, making it energy efficient and time-saving. Ergonomic and functional design. The saucepan combines elegance and practicality. Long handle and auxiliary support provides a secure grip for easy handling, even when the pot is full. Tightly fitted lid locks in steam, which condenses back into the food, enhancing moisture and flavor retention. Stainless steel knob, durable and heat-resistant. This knob ensures safe handling during high-temperature cooking. Easy maintenance. Gone are the days of tedious cleaning routines. The smooth enamel coating ensures effortless food release and prevents sticking. Cleaning is as simple as using a soft dishcloth and mild soap. However, to protect the enamel surface, avoid abrasive scrubbers or steel wool. Hand washing is recommended to prolong the lifespan of this beautiful pan. Pro tip: avoid using dishwashers for this product to maintain its aesthetic appeal and functionality. Versatility in cooking. From stovetop to oven, the saucepan shines across various cooking methods. Cooking applications: ideal for boiling water, heating milk, cooking oatmeal, melting butter, or making stovetop coffee. Compatibility: works seamlessly on induction cookers, gas stoves, ceramic stoves, glass stoves, and halogen stoves. Oven safe: withstands temperatures up to 450 degrees, making it suitable for baking and roasting. Why choose the enameled cast iron saucepan? Number 1. Health-conscious cooking. The non-toxic enamel coating eliminates the risk of harmful chemicals entering your food. It's perfect for families who prioritize healthy eating. Number 2. Perfect for small batches. Its 1-quart capacity is ideal for individuals or small households, making it perfect for quick recipes without the hassle of larger cookware. Number 3. Stylish and functional. The vibrant red finish adds a pop of color to your kitchen, while the functional design ensures hassle-free cooking every time. Number 4. Practicality meets elegance. This saucepan is more than just cookware. It's an investment in quality. Imagine serving rich, creamy sauces directly from this visually stunning pot to impress your guests. Number 5. A legacy of durability. Cookware that lasts a lifetime. The robust construction ensures you pass this down as a family heirloom. Conclusion: this enameled cast iron saucepan with lid is a kitchen essential that effortlessly combines style, functionality, and durability. Its premium construction, non-toxic enamel coating, and even heat distribution make it ideal for health-conscious cooking. Whether you're whipping up a quick sauce, boiling eggs, or preparing a small batch of soup, this 1-quart saucepan excels in performance and versatility. Its ergonomic design, vibrant red finish, and compatibility with multiple stovetops, including induction, add to its charm. Plus, the easy-to-clean enamel coating and oven-safe design make it a low-maintenance, high-performing addition to any kitchen. If you're looking for cookware that's not only practical but also built to last, the saucepan is a worthy investment. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make this culinary gem yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.